Junkin' Pool over here in Poorville. Well, we got the 39 Dodge home. It was no problem. So that 4x4 or 6x6, whatever that is, probably 6x6, was there. This has got a bad spot in the bumper. So I thought, just strap that on there. And it's not actually centered with the truck, but it was alright. Somebody had painted over the chrome. Let me get a better view of this thing. Let's see if I can do this without. Might show you the trees for a minute. Well, there's the engine. Flathead 6-cylinder. Double latches there. .20-inch tires. At least I think they were 20-inch. Yes, 7.5 20-inch. This was something reserve core. I guess they used this tree to plant trees or something after the war. It is missing part of the seat. I am not sure what is in that thing. That's pretty heavy. This thing was sitting on the back. Definitely heavy. Let's see if we can look under these doors. These doors are really solid. The other one's the same way. There's the breather to it. I was trying to get one of these makeshift seats over here. So the guy that had this, he says he's got a manual for it. He can't find it. And he said he's going to call me. He's got a new battery. I guess he put it in there a year or two ago when he got it. He couldn't figure out how to work on it. It's positive ground, and I guess he found a guy in his 70s come over and got it running and everything for him. I believe that knob right there, I think this window opens at the bottom. It's got a little bit of flakiness on there, but really solid, these floors. Cab rocker panels, cab corners, everything looks really good. I'll have to do some cleaning and oiling up, and there's a breather. It's hot in here. I think that says Michigan Armory. I guess there's a way you can do like a history on these and see if they was out of the country or. I know that door opened. That got opened a couple times. No, it's got the original. I guess that's the original bed frame. The wood's rotted, but it's supposed to be all there. I guess it has like a door on the side. The one side is like a two-piece where you can load from the side. I'm not sure about that. Single speed rear end. must be that door's locked. Now these got like a lock on the passenger side, and I was watching a video. Not sure which one it was, but this is like this on both sides. I looked underneath here, and it is really solid. That's where the mount is, right there. So that could probably use to be cleaned up a little bit. But that's the gas tank they were using. It's missing the wiper blades at the top, and the window's cracked. I've been looking on eBay. There's a lot of parts for these, but the guy I got it from was telling me that he told me the guy, I know where he lives. The guy down here has got some buffalo, and he was saying he had 2 of these. He wanted to buy this one, but they never come up with a deal on it. But he said he'd probably have some extra parts. I think I just unlocked that door. And he's got a new radiator hose that needs that. Just got one single Dodge taillight on there. Got a little, like a keyhole or whatever they would call that thing. I'm wondering if that ain't set up for that thing over there on the ground. There we go. It's got all the tags here. I got the title. I was going to bring out just a little dinky title, a glove box. I think that window is supposed to open. I think these on these the front window opens, but maybe not. But it looks like it might be some kind of a handle. It's got the rod here to hold that up on both sides. But yeah, that needs a top radiator hose that runs to the bottom of the radiator. That needs a bottom radiator hose. The guy put new plugs in it. I think points and wires. The guy was working on it for him, and he tore the carburetor all apart, and it doesn't have a muffler. It's got the, looks like a fairly clean exhaust on it. That big old beast is the horn. So there it is. My plans with it is basically to get it running where I can move it around. Now he told me all the lights and everything worked on it. But just mainly see if I can get the wipers and unload this stuff in the back for now. Maybe just get it running, putt around with it for a while. If anybody don't know, that's the starter button. You just push that down with a key on. Give it a few pumps of gas. I gotta look at the clutch. He said that was working, but it's going to the floor, which I can see that happen sometimes. The throw-up bearing will get from setting. What I started to say, I was watching a guy's video, and he was saying these locks right here, on the old trucks, they put them on the passenger side. A bee's trying to get me. There was some bees in it. I think we missed one of them when I was hooking the tow bar up. But they don't put them on the driver's side on a lot of these old trucks. And he was saying he thought that was because the guy would always open the door for the wife or girlfriend or whatever. So if it was locked, he would unlock her door. And I can't really make out what that says. He told me what it says, but I think it says U.S. Department of Agriculture right there. My brother has got he just got it here a couple months ago, a 55 Dodge. His has got a V8, flathead V8, I guess. But so it's missing the Dodge badges right here. I'm going to be kind of on the lookout for some of them. It's got the running lights, a couple running lights up there. It's pretty solid. I didn't say it was pretty, but it's pretty solid. Sure don't make them like that anymore. This is probably 100% made in the USA in the good old days. Well, we'll get the charger on it. Just let it sit out here and charge. It shouldn't take much. It did actually have a little bit of juice when I went to look at it. Get this out of the driveway. That set on the back. I put it inside to tow it home. But yeah, we actually got a guy stopped at our yard sale, was asking about our beer can collection, and old ship to shore radio there. And said a friend of his just started collecting them, and he's supposed to be coming over today after 3 o'clock. And we're going to try to sell him the whole collection. We sold a few of them. We usually sell a few every time we have a yard sale, but it's kind of a slow process, so we got them around here. Don, you stay out of that truck. Well, thanks for stopping by Poorville. Have a great day. Goodbye now.